How to copy a game on Roblox. For this, open up a preferred browser or launch your Roblox application either on your mobile device or your PC. If you are using your web browser, search for roblox.com and you will land here in their homepage. First and foremost, make sure that you are logged into your Roblox account. Now to copy a game on Roblox, in the search bar, go ahead and search for on copy logged, then give it a search. Roblox will suggest you a lot of options that you can select from. From here, just go ahead and select the game that you want to copy. For that, just go ahead and tap on any game that you prefer. Now at the top, you will see this three-dot icon right here. You simply have to click on it, then tap on Edit in Studio. Now wait for the Roblox Studio to load. If you do not have Roblox Studio, first and foremost, go ahead and download your Roblox Studio. Now once you download your Roblox Studio, you'll be able to copy this game and add it in your own place. And you can edit the game according to your preference and play with your friends as well. And just like that, you have made it to the end of this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.